Very good. Yes, I do.
Mr. Fazan inquires Miss Kiran whether she writes essay.
Writes the essay.
Writes
Writes the essay. Ji.
And Miss Kiran replies that she does.
That she does. Ji.
Mr. Fazan inquires Miss Kiran whether she writes the essay, and she replies that she does.
Okay.
Do you obey your parents?
Very
Yes, I
good.
do.
Love you. Love you. अब चार कोई दो टू.
Yes,
और कोई और तरह खातून नहीं तो. हाँ हाँ हाँ. तो नहीं लगा ना.
sir, मुझे यकीन है.
बामेदार और क्या क्यों नहीं कितना भी सुना रहा.
1, 2, 3 plus 100.
आगे कर दे कोई हाल नहीं मतलब.
100 मुझे क्या है?
Do you love your parents?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Ji.
Mr. Fazan inquires Miss Kiran whether she loves her parents.
Miss Kiran replies he does. And
She.
Miss Kiran replies that he does.
Again.
Miss Kiran replies that she does.
Again, still there's something wrong. Ji.
Miss Kiran replies that she does.
Still there's a problem. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up, Imran Khan. Ji.
Miss Kiran replies that she does.
Again, and you are such a follower. Love you. Ji.
Mr. Fazan inquires Miss Kiran whether she loves her parents, and she replies that she does.
Sir, मैंने तो ये कारण लिया.
Can you sit?
मेरी दी अल्लाह ताला देसी को दुआ के साथ. जी, next one, please.
Do you observe fast?
Do you observe
No, I
fast?
don't.
No, I don't. Ji.
Mr. Fazan inquires Miss Kiran whether she observes fast.
Okay.
Miss Kiran replies that she doesn't.
उसने दूसरा छोड़.
Sir, आपको don't worry करना चाहिए.
जी.
Sir, मुझे तो लगे.
नहीं वो सही कह. You are right.
Mr.
The ladies can
Fazan.
go for that.
Mr.
Correct.
Fazan inquires Miss Kiran whether she observes fast, and
Okay.
she replies that she doesn't.
She doesn't. Correct. Over.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Next we move now to
Round two.
round 2. Round 2 again it is based on now
Yes.
your where and again or where
We.
the. Your first question will be like that. Do you learn? Do you?
Learn.
And the answer will be yes I do. Yes I. Next question is C. What do you learn? Whom do you learn with? Whom do you learn from? Where do you learn? Like for example, what do you learn? Gentleman says I learn English. I learn.
English.
Whom do you learn English with? Whom do you learn English from? Where do you learn English? When do you learn English? How do you learn English? And why do you learn English? Point is clear?
Yes.
So now from where to begin? It's you. It's no you are going now to give it to Mr. Tessin. So become known कहानी यहीं सुनते हैं सारा. जी. Do you? The first question is this one. Now begin with this question. Now do you? Clear? And then what? What do you and me? Clear?
Yes.
Or should I set some example? Should I give some example?
No,
Yes,
no,
yes,
no. Yeah.
yes.
बेटा उतनी कम हो रहा है उतनी कम हरी हरी आई नहीं रहा हरी don't waste time हरी stand होते हैं don't be lazy oh भाई वो कम हो रहा है okay do you visit again loudly better so that the movie is being made now do you visit
Yes, I do.
please try to understand now try to understand now
Yes, sir.
do you visit
Yes, I do.
D Miss Rafi inquires Miss Rafi inquires
Mr. inquires Mr.
Muteeb
whether he
whether he visits
visits.
And Mr. Muteeb replies he
That-
does.
replies that
He does.
very good what do you visit
I
you visit
do.
you visit the river D
Mr.
चलो ये कुछ दा D
Mr. Rafi inquired
Mr.
Muteeb
whether he
this is see this was no what he what she whom he whom again this is where we when he or like that clear
Yes, sir.
what he visits
What he will.
what is clear
Yes, sir.
And
this is something new no
yes.
What is clear?
Yes, sir.
What he will.
Mr. Rafi inquires Mr. Muteeb what he visits. Ji.
And Mr. Muteeb replies that he visits
The
river.
river. And Mr. Muteeb replies that he visits the river. Whom do you visit the river with?
I visit river alone.
Please.
Mr. Rafi inquired Mr. Muteeb
Whom he visits the river with. Whom he visits the river with. Ji.
Mr. Muteeb replies that
He visits the river alone with none.
with none.
When do you visit the river?
I visit river tomorrow.
In the morning. Ji.
Mr. Rafi inquires Mr. Muteeb whether he visits
Why he?
When
When he
when he visits the river.
when he visits the rivers.
And Mr. Muteeb replies that
He visits the river
in the morning.
in the morning. How do you visit the river?
I visit river with
Very good. Ji.
Mr. Rafi inquires Mr. Muteeb. Sir, क्या हुआ?
जी. हाँ जी.
Mr. Rafi inquires Mr. Muteeb how does he visit? Sir, क्या है?
How he,
How he
what he, whom he, when he, where he, how he, why he,
Mr. Rafi inquires Mr. Muteeb how he visits the river.
how he visits the rivers and
Mr. Muteeb replied that he visits
river by walking.
by walking.
Why do you visit the river?
I visit the river to know about what to get.
समझ गया जी? I visit the river. उच्चा बोली उच्चा.
I visit the river to know about how to catch the fish.
कौन समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
I visit the river to know
How to catch.
about how to catch the fish. I love my fish. जी.
Mr. Rafi inquires Mr. Muteeb why he visits the river.
Why visits the river? जी.
And he replies that I know how to replies
सारे दाना जने हैं. जी.
He replies that to learn.
कौन देना ही कोनी.
to know.
Sir, Mr. Muteeb replies that he wants to learn.
Mr. Muteeb
विषय में
replied
रहा सही है सिगार तो नहीं कर. विचारों को कर दे. विषय में ऊपर इतने डेढ़. जी.
Mr. Muteeb replies that to learn about
That बची नहीं.
तो लगा
He
दिए.
replies that
जी. He visits the river to know about how to catch the fish. Thank you, Dr. Mani. जी. वो अब ये बात के लिए ये एग्जांपल है ना. Please now ask the question, please. Do you be one simple?
do you speak?
Do you speak? Very
Yes,
good.
I do.
Yes, I do. जी.
Yes, sir. Mr. Fazan inquired Mr. Qasim. Mr. Qasim inquired Mr. Fazan whether he
Whether he speaks.
speaks.
जी.
And Mr. Kazan replies that he does.
That is does. जी.
Mr. Qasim
चलो इस तरह ऐसे ऐसे रहने दो. तो अब टाइम थोड़ा है ना.
Yes.
आगे नहीं. जी.
What do you speak?
What do you speak?
I speak English.
जी.
Mr. Qasim inquired Mr. Fazan whether he speaks.
उत्तर बेहतर लिखल पुरानी हो गई वहाँ. What he speaks.
What he speaks? Sir,